Namaste, I'm Aman Pradhan from Wesmarc Doors. Security is not just about having a good lock. It depends on the design and engineering of the complete system of the door, the frame, and the hardwares. Breaking into a home that has a Wesmarc door installed isn't easy. It would take the intruder heavy tools, and he would make a lot of noise in the process of trying to make a forced entry. Besides the options of multi-lock, our entrance doors also come pre-integrated with concealed security bolts on the hinge side that provide the doors to get locked on the frame at 5 different multi-locking points. Hinges that are installed inward, metal reinforced striker plates, and a rebated design of our doors make it harder to tamper with and barge through forceful entry through the doorways. Our full body Mortise lock made with stainless steel 304 and 6 high security pins Euro profile cylinder are almost impossible to pick.